What's the matter? All that sitting, taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch. You dumb cluck. The big one!
Let me take another look at that egg. It's definitely a turkey egg. You'll never get it to go in the water. Oi! Cut that out. Come teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I've sat here so long. A few days won't make a difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Last one in the lake, scoot! Hey, wait for me.
What a robe. Only good for keeping eggshells warm. On a whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg could fall to my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grade of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different. Yes, but there's different. And there's different. Does that bother you at all? No? What about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens! I knew you were one of mine.